Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the pump and parts so suction is effective and safe. You wash hands and sanitize the flange, valve, and bottle, then dry them thoroughly. Once done, charge the unit or insert fresh batteries and confirm the power light comes on. Make sure you assemble the connector, the valve, and the silicone cushion in the correct order so there are no leaks. You'll attach the bottle last, ensuring the seal sits flush to avoid lost vacuum or reduced flow. You now fit the flange and dial in suction to make expression efficient. Place the flange centered over your nipple so you have about 1/4 to 1/2 space around it. This prevents rubbing and improves milk removal. Start in stimulation mode at a low level to trigger letdown, then gradually increase strength until you feel steady flow without pain. Once done, run each breast for about 10 to 15 minutes and watch both milk output and nipple condition so you can adjust fit or strength as needed. You finish the session by powering down and handling milk safely. Turn the pump off, detach and cap the bottle, and place expressed milk in the fridge or freezer within 2 hours to preserve quality. Make sure you disassemble and wash all parts that contacted milk, then air dry them on a clean surface. If you notice low suction or poor expression, check seals for cracks, ensure the valve isn't misshapen, confirm the flange alignment, and replace any worn membranes. This fixes most performance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.